Hey everyone, today, I'm excited to introduce you to a beautiful and fascinating bird, the Pacific Golden Plover. Known for its stunning gold and black speckled plumage, the Pacific Golden Plover is a medium-sized shorebird with a lot of character. It breeds in the Arctic tundra, across Alaska and Siberia, and during the non-breeding season, it undertakes one of the longest migrations of any bird species. These little globetrotters travel thousands of miles, all the way to tropical regions like Hawaii, Australia, and even parts of Southeast Asia. One of the most remarkable things about the Pacific Golden Plover is its navigational ability. Without any GPS or map, these birds know how to find their way across vast oceans, using just the stars, the sun, and Earth's magnetic fields as their guide. In the summer, the plovers display a more dramatic look with deep black undersides and a striking golden pattern on their backs. But as winter approaches, their plumage becomes lighter and more subdued. This seasonal change helps them blend into their environments, keeping them safe from predators. When they arrive at their wintering grounds, you'll often find them foraging in open coastal areas, mudflats, or even agricultural fields, where they feed on insects, small invertebrates, and sometimes seeds. They're quick on their feet too, running and stopping abruptly as they search for food. The Pacific Golden Plover is not just a stunning bird to look at but also a symbol of endurance and adaptability. Whether it's their remarkable migration or their ability to thrive in different environments, these birds are truly remarkable travelers. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the Pacific Golden Plover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more bird content. See you in the next one.